Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Amazon Prime, full guide step by step clearly. To register for Amazon Prime, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.amazon.com. If you already have an Amazon account, click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password, then click on the sign in button. If you don't have an account, click on the Start Here link to create a new one. Fill in your name, email, and a password, then click on the Create Your Amazon Account button. Now that you are signed in, look for the Prime option in the navigation menu at the top of the page. Click on Prime to be directed to the Amazon Prime membership page. Explore the benefits of Amazon Prime, which include fast shipping and access to Prime Video. When ready, locate and click the Start Your Free 30-day trial button. You may be prompted to verify your payment information. Enter your credit card details and billing address, then click Continue. Review the payment information and any terms and conditions before proceeding. Click on the Join Prime button to complete your registration. After successfully registering, you will receive a confirmation of your trial membership. You can now enjoy all the benefits of Amazon Prime during your trial period. Remember to monitor your membership status to avoid any unexpected charges after the trial ends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.